Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Renault Captur MediaNav. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, returning up to 57 miles per gallon, a low insurance group of 9 and road tax is just £35 a year, so really good running costs. And the mileage is just over 28,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Ivory and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, with the Captur you get the nice raised driving position, the hard wearing fabric on the seats there. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. Being a small SUV, you've got good access there into the back, lots of legroom and headroom, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I see the car's still got the original genuine Renault carpet floor mats as well. And as we open the tailgate, on the Captur you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and you also have the adjustable floor that you can keep at this level and hide bits underneath or lower it completely to increase the volume. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.